Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram when your music feature is not available or showing. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is make sure your app is fully updated. So let's go to the Play Store. Search Instagram in the search bar. To the right of Instagram, it will either say open or update. If it says open, your app is fully up to date. If it says update, that means you are in need of an update. So go ahead and update your phone. If your updating your app doesn't work, the next thing we're going to do is offload the app. So let's go to the settings and then go to apps. Let's find the apps. After that, go to the manage apps. Then we're going to search Instagram. Go to storage. On the lower part, clear data. And then clear cache. What this does is sort of resetting it for you. You can also uninstall and go ahead and reinstall, and you have successfully offloaded the app. Now, if updating and offloading doesn't work, there is another trick that we can do inside the app. So let's go over Instagram. And what can we do is switch from personal account to a business account or vice versa. Some people found that it has worked and fixed their music. That means that it has to be some type of bug. So let's go and try it. Go to the bottom right hand corner and click on your profile picture. Then go to the upper right hand corner and click on those three lines. From here, you're going to go to settings and then you're going to choose account. And then at the bottom, it's going to tell you to switch to professional or personal. I'm going to just click on professional and press continue. And then done. Switch to professional account. Then I'll just go this back later. So I'm going back to my home. And let's go to the story. Let's try to post something. And there. You can see the music is available now. I hope one of these things help you guys. If you have questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.